Okay, so this is for a 2002 Ford F-150 Sport, single cab. If you're having problems with your anti-theft device going off all the time, you have to keep resetting it, or you just don't know what the hell's going on with it, you need to change your battery. And so what you can do is you can either get a little flathead screwdriver or a butter knife or something and crack this open at the seams right there. Mine has a screw in the back, so I had to take that screw off, and then I had to get a little flathead screwdriver and just crack the rest of this off. It opens up just like this, and then this battery was in here just like this, and it has a positive and negative. You'll see it, right? So it has a positive and negative. So I just went down to the Dollar General, not giving them any, advertising or anything like that. I'm just saying that's where I went, and I picked these up here. Get two of them. They're 823s. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one and I'm going to put it inside there. I'm going to pop this back on, seal it up, screw that screw back in there, and then I'm going to try resetting it to my key here in the ignition. And that's going to be in part 2. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you out if you have any fears about, oh, I don't know if I should crack this open or not. What if I break it? Okay, maybe you might break it. I don't know, but just be careful. All right, have a great day. Good luck.